Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be doing a simple wash day hairstyle. If you guys are interested in this video, please stay tuned. Okay, so I've already washed and conditioned my hair. Something that I did do differently during this wash day routine is that I actually plaited my hair instead of using twists, because normally when I put my hair in twists, it unravels as I'm shampooing my hair. So I decided to put it in plaits, and when I tell you, it made my wash day routine a lot easier and a lot faster. So I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my wash day routine from now on. So I went ahead and did half of my hair on camera just to save some time. And what you're going to need for this hairstyle is you're going to need some elastic rubber bands. Elastic rubber bands, is that the same thing? Well, you know what I mean. And then you're gonna need a comb, a brush, some gel or some edge control, whatever you prefer. And you're just gonna need some more, whatever your favorite moisturizing products are. And I'll go ahead and put in the why can't I talk? I'm gonna go ahead and put in the description box the products that I'm using in this video. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair. So what I did was, since my hair was already plaited and already kind of sectioned off, I know the parting wasn't the best, but I don't care because my hair is going up in a bun anyways. So what I did was I just went ahead and unraveled the plaits that I already had in. And I'm going to go ahead and take each section down and just use my moisturizing products, and then I'm going to rubber band each section and then twist up that section. Oh yeah, I wanted to apologize to you guys because I know I haven't been consistent on YouTube, and I'm sorry about that. You know, right now your girl's working 2 jobs and my schedule is just all over the place, and then I end up getting the flu. So I have to get back into recording again. So I'm trying my best to give you guys content because I really don't want to disappoint you guys. And I just want to say thank you guys for just sticking it out with me and subscribing to my channel and watching my content and liking my videos. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get back into the video. So yeah, so I'm just gonna repeat these steps over and over again. So it's just gonna get really repetitive, and then towards the end, like I said, I'm gonna put all of this into a bun. And I did get this idea from 2 other YouTubers, and I'm gonna go ahead and put their videos down in the description box. And I was looking for a wash day hairstyle that I would actually find, you know, that would actually fit my face, because there's a lot of natural hairstyles, like, I don't know, they just don't look good on me. So I figured this one would look pretty good because I feel like it's the same concept of like me putting my Marley twist into a bun, so it'll be simple enough. And then also I wanted a simple hairstyle, like something that was not too complicated. And then also I wanted to do something different, because usually when I wash my hair I just put it into a high puff, and that involves a lot of gel, and I didn't want to put a lot of gel right after I washed my hair. So I just thought this hairstyle was just a great idea. So I'll be back. So now that my hair is all twisted up, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a bun, and I'm going to be using some Afro twist braiding hair to just give my buns some volume and some fullness. So first I'm just going to take all the twist and put it up into a high ponytail.
What we do here is go back.
Then I'm going to go ahead and take the braiding hair and I'm just going to wet it a little bit just so that way it can mimic my hair texture a little bit more. And once I do that, I'm just going to take the rubber band part and just wrap that around my ponytail. Now I'm going to take the braiding hair and split it in half, and then I'm going to take each halves and twist those up so that way I can wrap it around my ponytail. And then once I have it wrapped around my ponytail, I'm just going to use my own hair that's already twisted up to cover up the braiding hair. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment and also share my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.